Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Dave Dare and this is Dare RC Hobby Reviews. Hi guys, let's check out the Idea 16 brushless motor drone. Has camera on the front, camera on the bottom. Obstacle avoidance, I guess, is available for it. I don't have it, but you have optical flow mode. It's not GPS. It is a really budget-friendly drone, under $100. I'll leave all the information in the description below, so check that out. I did get this from Amazon. I'm sure you've heard of them. If not, search them up in the Google search engine and you'll find them. And search Idea 16 and you'll find this drone, I'm sure. So to power it up, just long press the power button. Wait till it starts flashing slowly. Or just short press the button on the remote. There you go. Push up on the throttle to start the motors. Up we go. Look at that. Oh, that's smooth. Very smooth. Have a nice calm day. Very little breeze out here today, which is awesome. Sounds like we have a lot of fireworks going on. People just celebrate whenever. Nice. Look at that. Red and green lights look good. Alright, let's get it down here. I'll show you the camera. It's adjustable with the remote. Have your buttons right here, just right above the left joystick. Very cool. Hope you can see that. Let me move it closer. Very nice. I'll do a video later with the video and the picture quality on this, but today just a quick flight video, quick demonstration. Smooth. You do have 3 speeds. Okay, so we have up, down, right spin, left spin, and you have your camera up and down. Okay, right sideward flight, left sideward flight, forward and backward flight. Very cool. Okay, now here at the top we have our 360 function. Then there's headless mode. I never use that, but you can use it if you want to. Well, let's do 360. Just simply press it and then use your right joystick whichever direction you want to flip. How about that? Very cool. Nice. Alright, here's your speed button up top. You can put your phone in here. Man, thing just hovers right where you put it. The optical flow works good. Let's take a look at it. Man, that's nice. Very cool. I'll leave that info in the description because I can't remember. I do a lot of shopping. I'm a really good shopper. Mom would be proud. So is my dad. Shout out to Mom and Dad. Love you guys. Thank you all for getting me to over 5,600 subscribers. That's amazing. Never thought I'd get there, but we're there. Appreciate it. Appreciate all the love and send all the love right back. All right, let's take a little cruise out there. Nice. Man, this is sweet. Silky smooth. Bought this one out of pocket, so it's not a sponsored video. If I brag on it, it's just because I like it. It's always just because I like it. No bias here, even if they send me the drone. If it's not good, it won't make the cut and it won't make it to a video. If it don't make it past the unboxing, I didn't like it and I wouldn't recommend it. I just don't get into all the negative type stuff in my videos. I don't have time for that negativity. So only the good ones make it on my channel. Just keep that in mind. Man, this is nice. Having rubber feet under there. Poke. Thing's good and stable and affordable, under 250 grams. so no registration required for recreational flights. Alright, let's see what speed we're in. Okay, there's speed 3. Nice. Spins pretty quick. Man, it really gets it up on a good angle there. Cool beans. Well, I didn't have the battery fully charged, I bet. Or I've flown it for a little bit prior to the video. But anyway, you guys got to see a quick demo here. Let's see if we can't land it back on the box there. No promises, but we're gonna try. Let's go back into slower speed, speed 1. Oh no, good enough. The La Idea 16 brushless motor drone folds right up. So on this one you have to fold the front arms first and then the back arms. It's opposite of a lot of drones that you get, but very cool. I'm going to power it down. Just press the button same way you did turn it on. Long press to shut the remote off. And there you have it, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.